No matter how good your hair looks on the regular days, it can get really frizzy really quickly in the rainy season. And the reason it becomes frizzy is when our hair is dry from the inside, it tries to absorb moisture from the outer surrounding, which is of course readily available for it in the rainy season. And this becomes a problem when our hair absorbs too much moisture, because then it becomes frizzy. But the good thing is there are some things that we can do in order to prevent our hair from showing its true colors to the world. And one of the easiest things that we can do is to switch our shampoo if it is too hard on the hair and leaves the hair completely dried out after a wash. And keep in mind, I'm not telling you to switch your shampoo just because it contains sulfates. No, it is completely okay to use sulfate and paraben shampoos if you and especially your hair is okay with that. But if you think the shampoo you're using right now leaves your hair too dry for your liking, then maybe you want to switch that to a mild one or one that is completely sulfate and paraben free. But after wash, if you do not use any blow dryer to dry your hair faster, that is really awesome, man, and you're worthy of having godly hair. But in the rainy season, we'll have to take things a little further and avoid even rubbing the hair with the towel. And instead we'll just wrap the hair in the towel as soon as we are done washing it, to make the towel absorb as much water as it can from the hair, and then we'll just let it air dry. I know it will take longer to dry this way, but it will be worth it in the end. And it's not like we're washing our hair every single day anyways. And actually doing this is really important because rubbing the hair with a towel causes friction, which is not good for our hair. And if you think this video will actually help you reduce some frizz this year, a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated, brother. But a cherry on the top that we can include in the hair care routine to reduce frizz is to apply either a leave-in conditioner or a serum or a hair oil to the hair. Whichever you prefer, that is completely up to you, but I'll just go ahead with the hair oil for now. And I am still using this Ayurvedic hair oil from Ustra, but I suggest you avoid applying coconut oil to the scalp because it is really heavy and it can make your hair look a little greasy, which is not a good thing in the rainy season because the weather is already too humid and the sweat is going to remain on the head for a longer duration. So instead, either try to use a hair oil that is lighter than coconut oil, or you can just go ahead with a serum instead. And if you do decide to go with a serum, try not to apply it on the scalp because it is not made for that purpose. But as all the hair products that we apply to the hair length get absorbed in the clothes, the pillows, the blankets and these stuff, we may need to reapply that product one more time before we wash the hair again. So I wash my hair every 5th day, so I'll need to reapply the hair oil the 3rd day. But as I am applying a product to my hair without washing it, I'll just go ahead with a serum instead of the hair oil to avoid making my hair greasy. And I'll just apply the hair oil the next time I wash it. And this final step should keep our hair frizz-free until we wash it again. And now if you know how you can keep your hair from getting frizzy, let me know by giving a like to this video, and as I said, a sub to the channel will also be really appreciated. But with that being said, I'll see you around, Alpha.